Today we're going to make a tutorial on how to make a navigation bar in Teleporthq. So to make a amazing navigation bar in Teleporthq, which this is something I actually have to tell you, as a web developer myself, I kind of use this all the time. It's genuinely one of the greatest things which you can use. I don't really use ChatGPT, although it is a ChatGPT generated template, I'm sorry, but it's much nicer interface. I'm just going to say it, but let's just go with a nice modern navigation bar. Simple, and then generate website. That's it. We just want a nice little navigation bar. And let's just wait until the website, the Teleporthq, does its magic. It might take a while, but depending on how time expensive your task is, it will highly just depend on that. And here we go. The content is now being generated. The nav bar, the hero, the features actually just does it all, but all I want is just a navigation bar. So we have to actually wait until this is done. I'm hoping this is actually quite nice, I would say. I really love the way it does. And there we go. We are actually now over here. And all in all, this looks pretty damn good. This is a little bit of, but this is quite well. This actually here is good. But yeah, this is how you can create navigation bar or straight up an entire website from literally just scratch. I'm thinking these are all AI generated images because this is not the interior and doesn't really look real. Yeah, so this is how you can generate not just navigation bar, but our whole website using Teleporthq for absolutely free, of course.